Local news for Thursday the 5th of September. South Wairarapa and Carterton District Councils have announced the appointment of Melanie Bath to the role of Climate Change Advisor. The need for an advisor became apparent after a number of submissions were received during the annual consultation process, requesting councils take meaningful action addressing climate change. The Heartland Under-19 team to play in the Jock Hobbs Memorial National Under-19 tournament next week has been named and features 5 Wairarapa bush players. And Wairarapa Police are encouraging firearms holders not to leave it to the last moment to hand in their prohibited firearms and parts at a collection set to take place again this weekend, both Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. until 1 at the Masterton Miniature Gun Club in Cole Street. And finally, there's plenty of age-grade rugby on display this weekend. Saturday, the under-16s and 18s will play from midday, while Sunday sees the Wairarapa Bush under-11s play Manawatu and the under-14s play Wanganui from 11 a.m. at Trust House Memorial Park. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.